4-petal antispin. The poi points down 3 times. The bottom, the side, the other side. Same thing is true for a 2-in spin. The poi points down, it points down, it points down. It never points down at the top. Now the opposite's true. If you do your in spins to the top and bottom, then it only points down at the top. At the very bottom it's pointing up. And if you do box antispin, it points down at the top and it points up at the bottom. You could do 1 circle at each quadrant. It just confuses people sometimes. I can do a down at every position, like kind of an upside down starfish. But if you don't like your starfish being nauseous, you could also do an up at every point. Up, 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 up. Now that's got lots of awesome sauce. And if you say we're to do arms opposites and poi opposites, it's pretty easy to put together. Down, 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 down. And I've got 2 upside down starfish, which I always think looks a little unfortunate for the starfish. So I like putting my starfish up, 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 up. I like upward pointing starfish. Where it gets really confusing is if you wanted to do something like poi forward split time, arms backward split time. When my right's up and my left is down, the poi point away from me. When my left is up and the right is down, they point in, like a box anti-spin. So they point away, they point together, they point away, they point together. It makes 10-pointed flower, which is awesome, and I fully recommend learning it. It just confuses people if they're new at flowers. And that is some thoughts on 4-circle in-spin and anti-spin poi flowers. This is the Bay of Fundy, 40-foot tides.